Multi-talented artist o karon usa sa mga bagong Kapuso Artist nga mipirma sa Kapuso Network. Sayran ta karon ang mga hashtag goals and hashtag inspiration ni Kapusong Khalil Ramos. Mayong buntag, Khalil, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag, Miss Cecil, and maayong buntag sa lahat ng nanonood ng GMA Regional TV Live. Maraming salamat po for having me this morning. Thank you.
Maraming salamat din at nakasama ka namin this morning. First off, congratulations Khalil at certified Kapuso ka na. How do you feel sa all-out? How do you feel sa all-out welcome and support ng Kapuso Network?
Grabe, yun nga, sobrang overwhelming. I would often say na parang hindi ako sanay na ganito yung pag-welcome sa akin. I'm just usually a more reserved and very chill person lang, pero GMA really made me feel special and I super appreciate it. Everyone from GMA and GMA Artist Center, they've been so kind and so loving. Lahat sila, grabe, nag-all-out support sa aking pag-welcome or pag-welcome nila rather sa akin dito sa GMA, and it's really overwhelming, but it feels right and it feels very special, and I'm super happy.
What kind of projects do you see yourselves in? Kayong dalawa ni Gabi?
Kami ni Gabi, we actually share a lot in common. Of course, hindi mawawala yung teleserye. So most probably in the future, hopefully, no, sana mabigyan kami ng isang magandang storya at dalawang role na talagang gustong-gusto naming gawin at i-portray, and most definitely game na game kami dyan. And kami dalawa, most probably our supporters know, online we often do vlogs and we do a lot of parang travel show like mga videos. So alam ko si GMA, lalo na si GMA News and TV, yung public affairs group nila, they love producing mga ganito, ng mga docu-style, tsaka mga food and travel shows.
Wow, exciting times ahead talaga for you, Khalil, and for Gabi as well. Pag-usapin natin this time, kasi you've been directing music videos and short films. Among ba your fellow Kapuso artists, who do you wish to collaborate with for a music video and a short film as well?
The top of my head that I would want to collaborate creatively, isa, of course, would have to be one of my idols growing up, si Sir Bitoy, who just recently started writing and directing as well, no? So, kung mabigyan ako ng opportunity to be able to creatively collaborate with Sir Michael V, si Bitoy, talagang I would grab that opportunity without a doubt. Next, siguro, a good friend and a collaborator na rin as well, si Mikoy Morales. He does musical scoring. So, alam ko nagdi-direct na rin siya ngayon, and pero ang talagang expertise niya is music and scoring sa mga pelikula. Nakapag-score na siya ng mga feature films in the past. So I actually am part of a group with him called Actor, the League of Filipino Actors. And magkasama kami sa creative department. Lastly, si Kuya Dingdong Dantes. Nakita ko sa mga iba niyang post, nag-shoot na rin siya. Nag-shoot na rin siya ng mga videos nila ni Atian. So, game din ako dyan kung open siya makipag-collaborate.
And Khalil, you're a very multi-talented artist, no? Galing sa acting, singing, directing, writing, and producing. Where do you get the inspiration, Khalil, to be able to share your different talents in these different platforms?
I get it from so many different factors and people. Most importantly, syempre, my family, my friends, my partner, si Gabi, they inspire me to keep, going forward and keep learning and keep chasing my dreams. So I started telling stories through singing, eventually ventured out into acting. Then, nung napasok ko yung production work, I started writing and directing as well. And also had my fair share of exploring videography and cinematography. So it's quite a lot. Maybe kasi yun yung personality ko. Kung napasabak ako sa isang very interesting thing, talagang aaralin ko siya all the way.
Kitang-kita talaga how passionate you are, Khalil, sa craft mo. And given your accomplishments at your age, your fans really look up to you, Khalil. What advice can you give them?
Salamat.
Oo, especially those who are trying to pursue their goals also.
My message to those supporters who have been there from the very start and those who have I inspired, I would like to tell them to pass on the inspiration once you start creating. Keep learning, keep inspiring other people as well. Kumbaga, wag niyong itigil yung chain of knowledge. Pass it on to your friends, to your also to your supporters, no. So to those who want to create, the ball game is in your hands. The playing field is so big that anyone can play in the world of creativity. So use whatever you have. Use whatever skills or your skill set that you have, and use it to your advantage and start creating.
At ngayong malapit na mag-Christmas, Khalil, what do you look forward to the holiday season?
This Christmas would be very special as well. A Christmas to remember, most definitely, and I'm looking forward to celebrate nothing but pure love and pure joy with family. Pero for sure mas simple siya, pero syempre special pa rin.
And of course, despite what has happened so far this year, isa sa mga early Christmas blessings that you received is you signing up for GMA Artist Center, Khalil. So far, what's the best thing about being a Kapuso?
Yes, and I'm very thankful for them. I'm very thankful for GMA and GMA Artist Center, most especially for really helping me and guiding me through this momentous event in my life. It's a big decision that I made, but I wouldn't really be able to do it without them. They were there from the very start of my decision. So far, my stay, or the short time that I've been with them, I've been very happy. It was just full of joy. Meeting everyone, nakakapanibago, pero lahat sila ay very welcoming at very warm sa akin.
And before we let you go, Khalil, we'd love to hear you sing us a few lines of any song lang that you want to share with our viewers.
Oh, wow. Sige. For my supporters here in Cebu and in Visayas, this song is for you. The world could die and everything may lie, still you shouldn't cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it'll last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side.
Grabe naman, pinaganda mo talaga yung umaga namin, Khalil. Dagang salamat for joining us. Ano yung mensahe mo? Ano yung mensahe mo para sa lahat ng mga fans mo dito sa buong Visayas?
Yes, mga supporters ko dito sa Visayas, maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat sa iyong mga suporta sa akin ngayong pagpasok ko into a new chapter in my life dito sa Kapuso Network. Sana pagdating ng panahon ay magkita-kita tayo muli. Pagka ang GMA ay merong mga events dyan or mga mall shows, excited akong maging parte ng mga yon at magkita tayo ulit dyan sa Visayas. And yun, sana po ay lahat laging mag-iingat at lagi po nating ingatan ang ating kalusugan.
Daghang salamat din, Khalil, for the much-needed inspiration that you have given us this morning.
Daghang salamat. Thank you po, Miss Cecil.
Thank you.